guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, hi, my name is Reshma. I really happy that you chosen to watch my video, which means a lot to me. And if you like it, please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. And if you are an existing subscriber, thank you so much for supporting me throughout, which means a lot to me, and I really appreciate that. In today's video, I'm going to show you some aesthetic DIYs which you can try at your home.
So first I take a bowl and put water in it, and then I take a painting palette and green, yellow and white color. So for the first DIY we need a bulb. For that we have to use yellow color and a basic round brush. So first we have to make petals of it. So we are done with the flower. The same yellow flowers we have to make on the entire bulb. Oh my god, they are looking pretty. So now we have to take green color for leaves and make leaves, two leaves on each flower. Now we are done with the leaves, and now we have to paint green on the cap of the bulb. Give white color dots in the flower. We are done with our first DIY, which is looking so pretty. Now for the second DIY, we need a CD and we have to make the same yellow flowers on it. For this also we have to continue the same process. In the middle of CD, I am painting green color. And the same white dot we have to give, and our second DIY is also done. For the third DIY, I am using a glass bottle. I am using a sauce bottle which is mostly available in every home. And the same process we are doing again. And we are done with the third glass bottle DIY. I put fairy lights in the bottle which are looking so good. You should also try.
So these are the 3 DIYs which I tried. They are mostly the basic yellow flowers which I painted on it. I'm going to try some fairy lights in it. I guess it looks nice. Yeah. So this was the video. I hope you guys liked it. If you like it, don't forget to try it. And if you tried, mention me on my Instagram. My ID is here. Yeah. And like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel, which means a lot to me.